Hello, everybody. Smyrna Cowboy here. I got my shades right there, I think. Yep. I better pull over because I'll pull those off in a heartbeat, I think. And I'm on my vest here. There we go. Much better. Let's try it again. Hello, everybody. It's Smyrna Cowboy here. How y'all doing today? Today is June the 20th, 2022 at, hang on, 10:23 in the morning. Getting out doing some more practicing. I'm more practicing on the bike. Yes, I am. Yay. The more in the saddle, the more you get accustomed to it. So I've got 3 cameras going. I'm going to see how good they do and the audio. I tried this the other day, but the camera was this Dragon Touch was pointed down low, and this GoPro here was the same way. It was pointed down low. Uh-oh. Well, the Dragon Touch just fell off. I'm glad I wasn't going fast. And that's the reason why I do this now instead of, I guess I have to put some more Stickum stuff on there. Let's see if I can pull over here out of the way somewhere before it flies out. Or else I can put it right there. Let's just go right here and stop for a minute. This is great. See? Tell you what, let's just I don't know if that'll looks like it's different. Yeah, it looks like the spindle's different. That's a bigger spindle. So we'll just cut this off. And I got to put some more Stickum stuff right there. I think it's still recording. Yep. That'll be interesting. I think that spindle is too big for his, so I have to get a spindle for it if I put it on here. But I think I'll just put some more plastic stuff on there, some more gooey stuff. All right, let's try this again. Well, even though you have a little difficulty like that for being off the bike for almost 8 months, you sort of welcome it. So there you go. Yeah, I'll just be going around in my neighborhood for the next, I don't know, 4 days or something, and then I may try to venture out early Saturday morning or early Sunday morning on the main roads. I turned that. Well, let's just go down here. That's the reason why I'm on back roads, because I thought that was the blinker, but no, it was the joystick for the BRP. Oh man, I cracked myself up. At least I still remember how to ride this thing. Yeehaw. I like that. I should have got out of here earlier. It was pretty brisk out this morning. It was like 57 degrees out here. So it was pretty brisk. But I was doing other stuff, so not bad here in the shade. It's showing 88 degrees on the thermometer on the bike. Of course, that's, you know, higher than usual ambient temperature. But it's not bad. Okay, I think I'll switch the audio from the Sena over to the GoPro. Let me go down a straightaway here a little bit. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, now the audio is on the GoPro. We'll see how good a quality that is while I'm riding. I didn't think it was when I was messing around with it the other day. I think the Sena has a lot better audio, more clear audio than the GoPro does. So when we get down here to the stop sign, we'll switch back to the Sena audio. All right, switching back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, now we're back on the Sena. The audio part of it, anyway. So we'll see how that does. I got PT today at 2, so I'll do this little run here and take a shower around 12 and rest up a little bit and then head on to PT. Mrs. Cowboy's gonna take me down there. Until I am able to get out on the roads and stuff, so hopefully it'll be next week to start doing that, so that's what I'm hoping for. Put a basketball goal in the street. It's pretty cool. I remember when I was younger, we used to throw football and baseball in the street and stuff. Of course, in my residential neighborhood, hardly had any traffic at all. But when we do, we always say, yell out car. We always move to the side of the road, let the car pass, and then yell okay when it's passed. Or clear, or whatever. And yes, I'm in that generation where if the street lights come on, that's a signal for you to come home. And my mom, God rest her soul, if it was before that and she wanted to call us for dinner, she would do the horn like this. She would go. And, of course, a car horn would go all over the neighborhood, and we would hear it. And that's our signal to come home for supper. Ah, the good old days. You see up here it says no outlet, no through traffic. Because, and I'll go down here, road went down here and crossed over the creek. I don't know if you can see that or not. Crossed over the creek right there and then just went up that way. Well, it was raining and everything else, and the creek got up to this sign right here, and somebody tried to cross it, and it washed the vehicle down, and the person that was in it drowned. So they just went ahead and closed the road so nobody else won't do it. Like I've always said, common sense is not common like it used to be, unfortunately. Sad, but true. All right, guys and gals, we're going to head on back to the Smyrna Cowboy Hacienda and button this ride up. Get this posted maybe tonight or tomorrow. Already posted a mail call video this morning, and that was the reason why I didn't get out here till later than I wanted to, but there's always tomorrow morning. Give it another shot while it's cool. All right, let's back her in. I know there's a joke in there, just breaming to get out, but I'm not going to do it. No, sir, not going to do it. Can't make me. I will be glad to get my backup camera, either on the Zumo XT or the Bike Brothers, Tad Brothers, some brother. All right, guys and gals, boys and girls, that's it for this ride. This is the Smyrna Cowboy here at the Smyrna Cowboy Hacienda here in Smyrna, Tennessee, wishing you and yours a good day. And until next time, adios.